What's up, guys? I got another review for us today. Today I was at the coffee shop and I was just kind of thinking, man, I wish I had a nice keyboard right now because I just don't want to type on the screen, taking up almost half of my screen, and I don't want to take my Magic Keyboard along with me because that's just an inconvenience. What do? So I found this today. It is made by Blackweb, which is a brand I've been looking a lot at lately. It's affordable, and so far it's proven itself good. This is a folding Bluetooth keyboard. We're going to test it out today. So right away you find your charging cable, micro USB to regular USB. So there it is. Very lightweight. Kinda cheesy feeling, I don't know. I'm not gonna judge yet, we haven't seen it. Let's open it up. So that's it. You got a nice cloth thing there holding it. It's magnetic, nice soft close. But it is plastic. I believe it was around $20. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's jump into the Bluetooth here. There it is. I'm gonna disconnect from the Magic Keyboard just because I don't know if it's gonna affect what we're doing here. Sorry if the iPad screen looks a little weird. The camera's probably just, I don't know, it's a screen, you know how it goes. But anyway, let's jump into the Notes app. That's from the last video. Okay, so one thing that's right away gonna be something you gotta get used to is the gap right here in the middle. That gap's kind of, it's definitely there. So, 2 space buttons, that's interesting. So yeah. The typing, it's got a good feel to it. It's definitely, it's something, like I said, to take to the coffee shop or to take on the bus or whatever. Maybe not on the bus, I wouldn't take this on the bus. But anyway, you got a table, you know. And you don't want to bring out your Apple keyboard. Your Magic Keyboard. It's definitely, there's no grips on the bottom. You definitely get what you pay for. $100, $20. I might even slip this into my case. Because this keyboard's, now that I keep using it, I kind of don't like it more and more. So yeah, I don't see myself actually using this. Probably just gonna stick with the Magic Keyboard because that's just much nicer. Pretty responsive, as you can see. When you type, it keeps right up. Backspace. You got a .com, which is weird. When you push it, it gives you all uppercase, all capital COM. So that's kind of weird. No brightness controls, nothing like that. Home, control, home, control, home. Doesn't work. It's not like the Magic Keyboard where you get your different functions and different commands. It'll do the job. If you got $20 and you want a keyboard, it'll do the job. And then the cool part is how portable it is. Like if you don't have an iPad Pro 12.9 inch like I do, where you can just kind of slide the Magic Keyboard into the pouch on the case, because I have a folio case. You can't just slide the keyboard into the pouch on the case. This is definitely for you because it'll fit in any little bag, or it'll even fit in your pocket. So that's my opinion on the Blackweb Bluetooth keyboard folding. I wouldn't actually buy it. I wouldn't use it. It just slides around too much. It's too cheap feeling. There's no functions up top. I would rather just, like I said, throw this in my case and then bring this with me if I actually wanted it, or just use it, because the one on screen is actually really nice. They've integrated some really good functions on the stock keyboard on the iPads nowadays. So yep, that's my review on that. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.